Hey everybody, welcome to Jay Leno's Garage. Today we're diving into the Ford Mustang Boss 429. This isn't just any Mustang, folks. This is a legend, a piece of automotive history. Over the next few minutes, we're gonna break down what makes the Boss 429 so special. From its NASCAR roots to its jaw-dropping horsepower, this car's got it all. So buckle up because we're about to take a trip down memory lane with one of the baddest Mustangs ever built. The Boss 429 wasn't just designed to look pretty. This car was born on the racetrack. Ford had a big idea to dominate NASCAR with a brand new 429 cubic inch V8 engine. NASCAR rules required a certain number of these cars for the street, and that's how the Boss 429 Mustang was born. Ford took their iconic Mustang and injected it with a heavy dose of pure American muscle. That 429 engine was so big, Ford had to call in the specialists at Kar Kraft. Kar Kraft reworked the whole front end, moving shock towers and altering the suspension to fit the engine. It was like fitting a square peg in a round hole, but they made it work. Every Boss 429 was a hand-built masterpiece, a testament to American ingenuity. Officially, Ford listed the Boss 429's horsepower at 375, but everyone knew that number was conservative. It was closer to 500 horsepower. They had to keep it low-key for the insurance companies, but on the street or track, this thing was a monster. It could smoke the tires off the line and leave you breathless with its acceleration. Ford only produced a little over 1,300 Boss 429s between 1969 and 1970. Finding one in good condition today is like discovering buried treasure. It's a rare piece of automotive history, and its value keeps climbing. The Boss 429 featured hemispherical combustion chambers, or Hemi heads. This design allowed for better airflow into the engine, which meant more power. The Boss 429's engine was a symphony of combustion. The Boss 429 has become one of the most sought-after Mustangs on the market. Its rarity, performance, and place in history make it a collector's dream. Be prepared to shell out serious cash for a well-preserved Boss 429. Unlike other Mustangs from that era, the Boss 429 didn't need flashy graphics to make a statement. It had a certain presence, a quiet confidence that spoke volumes. It let its performance do the talking. Under the hood, the Boss 429 was a full-blown performance machine. It came with a stiffened suspension, front and rear stabilizer bars, a heavy-duty 4-speed manual transmission, and a 9-inch rear axle. This car was built to handle all that power with style. Well, there you have it, folks. 8 reasons why the Ford Mustang Boss 429 is a legend. It's a car that embodies the raw power and excitement of the muscle car era. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, don't miss it. And if you're lucky enough to get behind the wheel, hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Thanks for joining me today in the garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future automotive adventures.